Strawberries? You want some strawberries? There you go. Good boy. Wow, look at you go. Who loves those strawberries? You like it? Yummy. Rex. There's more where that came from, buddy. You can slow down. Mommy's mean. Oh, there's the vacuum cleaner. Yummy. That's like candy for you, isn't it? Eat your fruits. Learn from Rex. Oh, got a small piece. Oh, no, no, no. There you go. You got it? Oh, good job. Hey, Rex. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, you're so happy. Yes, you're happy. That's the happy dance, huh? There we go. Yes. Yes. Oh, Mommy, I love that. You're a sweetheart, buddy. Good job.